Are you looking for the best sous vide bags in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best sous vide bags that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Savour Sous Vide Cooking Bags. Made from BPA and BPS-free plastic and fully compliant with FDA regulations, the Savour Sous Vide Cooking Bags are an excellent option for anyone wishing to take a real interest in sous vide cooking and enjoy the delicious and healthy benefits this kind of cooking can provide on a regular basis. For a slightly high price, you can purchase a full set of 16 of these sous vide cooking bags. Designed with sous vide cooking in mind, these are some of the best sous vide bags on the market right now, and they're fully reusable too, which is a great bonus, helping to extend the lifespan of these products and ensure that they can provide you with a lot of great meals and quality cooking time and time again. Moving on at number 4, we have the Sous Vide Cooking Bags by AsianiCandy. Next on our list of the best bags for sous vide cooking, we come to the Sous Vide Cooking Bags by AsianiCandy. This is a great sous vide cooking bag kit, complete with useful accessories and 28 items in total. It's a great value option, giving you everything you need to get started, even if some of the bags are quite small in size and won't be too much use in general. The Sous Vide Cooking Bags by AsianiCandy kit offers 20 reusable vacuum seal bags that work with ANOVA and Joule cookers, plus a hand pump, a pair of sealing clips, and 4 additional sous vide clips. At number 3, we have the Sous Vide Cooking Bags by SousVideArt. Next up, we have the Sous Vide Cooking Bags by SousVideArt. This is a full sous vide kit, complete with 30 reusable vacuum seal sous vide bags in 3 different sizes, all made from top-quality BPA-free plastic. The kit also comes with a simple hand pump to seal the bags, as well as a mixture of clips for easy sealing and sous vide cooking. Definitely among the easiest sous vide bags to use, the Sous Vide Cooking Bags by SousVideArt are built to last a long time. They're easy to clean, perfect for those moments when you want to reuse them, and they can be great as food storage solutions or for freezer storage too. They're fully microwave safe as well and can easily cope with high temperatures without any issues. At number 2, we have the O2 Frepic 200 Pint 6x10 Vacuum Sealer Bags. Vacuum sealers come in pretty useful in the kitchen for cooking. We have considered some of the most popular options on the market and have found that the O2 Frepic 200 Pint 6-inch x 10-inch vacuum sealer bags are some excellent options recommended by several users. According to the manufacturer, these are food-grade and BPA-free bags that come as super handy for long-term food storage. The design is quite nice and sturdy. However, although these bags are heavy-duty and thick, they still offer you the benefits you want from any vacuum food bag. They allow heat to pass through so that your food will be cooked evenly. And finally at number 1, we have the FoodVacBags Vacuum Seal Rolls. Made from top-quality BPA-free plastic, the FoodVacBags Vacuum Seal Rolls win our Editor's Choice Award and are the best bags for sous vide money can buy right now. Available at a great price and offering commercial standards of quality, these excellent value rolls are highly versatile and can suit a wide range of sous vide cooking styles and dishes. The only problem with these vacuum seal sous vide rolls is that you do need a vacuum sealer to use them effectively for sous vide cooking. However, the fact that they come as rolls gives you a lot of freedom, allowing you to cut and shape them as you wish to make bags of different sizes, and this is a big bonus for people who really want to get into sous vide cooking. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.